In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WooCommerce products to Facebook Shop. By the end, your store items will be ready to sync to Facebook so you can showcase them in your shop, tag products, and power more effective ads, all with a single connection. Start by opening your WordPress website and signing into the dashboard. From here, you'll work inside the plugins area. Head to the plugins section and open the page where you can add new plugins. In the search bar, type Facebook. You're looking specifically for the plugin called Facebook for WooCommerce, which is the official integration built to link your WooCommerce catalog to Facebook's tools. Once you've found it, click Install and then Activate. The activation triggers a guided setup, so you won't have to guess what comes next. After activation, follow the prompts that appear on your screen to complete the connection. The setup will walk you through linking your WordPress site to Facebook. Expect to review and confirm permissions so the integration can sync your products and manage your catalog. You'll typically be asked to select the correct business manager, choose the Facebook page associated with your shop, and connect or create a product catalog. If a pixel is part of your workflow, the prompts may also ask you to select or confirm it, which helps track product views and conversions. These choices ensure your products land in the right place and that your analytics are accurate. As you proceed, the setup may show options for how products sync, such as automatic updates when you change prices, images, or stock in WooCommerce. Choose the behavior that best fits your store. If you see any optional steps, like enabling product tagging or confirming checkout settings, keep following the on-screen guidance. The plugin will handle the heavy lifting, and it's normal for it to take a moment to verify your selections. When you reach the final confirmation, the sync will begin. Depending on how many products you have, this may take a few minutes. That's normal. Keep the tab open until you see a success message. After the connection finishes, your products will start appearing in your Facebook catalog and shop. If you recently updated product titles, descriptions, or images in WooCommerce, those changes will carry over during sync, helping your listings look polished and consistent. That's it. You opened your WordPress site, installed and activated Facebook for WooCommerce, and followed the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. Your catalog is now on its way to Facebook, ready to reach a wider audience.